It's a presentation video for the 42-inch Sub-Zero side-by-side unit, stainless steel. The unit's in great condition. Two minor dings in the unit, very small, hardly noticeable. In the fluorescent lighting that we have here at the warehouse, it's easy to see. You just have to kind of get down on your knee here. And let me see, it's hard for me to even identify it. There we go. Right there. Very, very minute. There you go. We'll see it with the bend of the light there. Other than that, unit's in great condition. Here's your freezer side. This unit does have an ice maker. That would be your ice bin. The refrigerator side, there's your temperature control. Just want to point this out really quick. There is some wear here on the metal. This will be refinished, 99% like new. Same thing with down there at the bottom. So don't let that bother you. With your butter bins, hand shelving, everything's adjustable. Model serial number. You can contact us for more information. This unit was manufactured in 1997. We do ship worldwide. You're more than welcome to call us 480-834-1111 with any questions. You can also visit us online at www.x as an X-ray, A as an alpha, M as in Mike, USA.com. Thank you.